Okay, I'm going to find a spot for these inside the wire. These are the last 3 English lavender and some roselle that never got planted. Wow, bees are buzzing on this very wet day. What have we here? We have Tiger. See her in there? Hi, Tiger. What are you watching for? Probably a butterfly. I just can't get over how many zinnias came up. That's what happens when you sprinkle seeds. And the African marigold hasn't even started blooming yet. Oh, look. Gonna have some blooms soon. Oh. These are supposed to be 4 to 6 inches in diameter. Okay, for some unknown reason, I have a space here without weeds. And I'm going to pop in the last of those plants, roselle and English lavender. See? I've got good soil for 2 inches and then it's clay. But the clay has minerals and it holds water, and I have not watered this flower garden one time since I planted all these seeds. And I only plant when I first establish. I'm not even going to water these because it's raining this afternoon. I'm just going to pop them in. See? Look at that. Light brown. I had so many ground up leaves put on here. I think that's why some areas have no weeds. Whoa. Does this want to get out of the pot or what? Let's see if I can divide these without destroying them. I think I'll run water over it. That might help. Okay. Wow, it's all I can do to keep from stepping on a zinnia. Look. So now hopefully they can come apart without tearing. You know, when they're this developed, I never should have left them, obviously, in the same pot. That was my bad. They've got their roots wrapped around those little rocks, that's for sure. There it goes. There we go, look. Okay. On these plants today, well, and yesterday, I'm just using blood meal and a little bone meal because they've been really neglected for a long time, and they need some nitrogen. They need an infusion. Of course, the quickest infusion for plants is a liquid, you know, water-soluble, something that breaks down very quickly. But these clay chunks are actually good for, you know, when you've got leggy plants, to pack them in around the stem and keep them upright so they don't blow down right away. And this compost has a lot of mycorrhizae in it, so should help get them off to a good start. Now if I could spend a whole day weeding in here, look at this. This is the bane of our existence here. That and poison ivy and mosquitoes and chicks and chiggers. Ticks and chiggers, what did I say? Chicks and tiggers? I think I said chicks and tiggers. Oh boy. Psst. Hey, pay attention. It's gone. It took off when you looked away. Well, I need about 4 more days to weed this thing and then it'll actually look good. I have intentions of putting wood chips around all the English lavender around the border to try to suppress weeds. Try, operative word, try. I have had many, many layers of wood chips on here and it's covered in crabgrass. So, you know, it's just the way it is. So, this channel exists to inspire you, educate you, inform you about our future, of the future of growing food, and if that's even going to be possible with the way things are going. You know, I prefer to eat real food, not food that's 3D printed out of cells grown in a laboratory. I just saw today that the Prime Minister of Israel was viewing the facility where they 3D print all kinds of cuts of meat, and he goes to the little stand like you would at a fast food and you decide your cut of meat, and he selected one, and the machine behind the glass there, all this big row of machines, start pouring these cells, fat cells and protein cells generated in the lab into making his steak. No, I think it was a piece of fish. Yeah, I think he ate a piece of fish. And he tasted it and he said it was delicious. So that's what, you know, we have to hang on to our farms, our gardens, our way of life of raising our own food, and get all of the nutrition that we can out of our food to help guide us and guide our children into the next decade. So with that note, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss anything right here on the homestead. I'm Kaye, and I look forward to inspiring and educating you again very soon.